Hey, this is Brian Dorsey.
And Tracy Bosco.
We're here with the Heenan Group at William Ravis Real Estate.
This is our inaugural episode of
The Real Realtors. We're going to be coming at you every week, answering all of your real estate related questions.
And walking you through the home buying and selling process.
Today we want to get started with the first step in the process, searching for your new home on billheenan.net. It's a great website with all listings in the Connecticut market.
It's also hyper-local, so it focuses specifically on southeastern Connecticut.
It's great, super fast, super up-to-date website. We have everything posted within 5 minutes of it going up on the MLS.
The first 5 minutes, not like those other websites that can take hours or days to get you the information.
So, let's get started.
So here it is, billheenan.net. Here is our amazing webpage. Super easy. You can type in your search criteria and start your basic search right here.
Next, when you scroll down, you'll see a little background information on our team at the Heenan Group here. You can read through that and get some info on us. You also have an address search and a home value estimate, where you can type in your own home address and see what your home is worth.
We also have an interactive map search, which is really cool if you know what area you want to be looking for properties in. And then if you keep going, you have hot new listings in the area.
Check those out and see if anything tickles your fancy. And then we'll move on to the search process.
Okay, let's search for some properties. You can either look at all properties that are available in Connecticut, or for our purpose, we're going to look at specifically New London County. You can check out a specific town. We'll stick with East Lyme for right now.
And then you can choose your price range. For this search, we think we're going to go in the, let's say, 200,000 to 500,000. I think that's the range that we'll focus on here. And then you have options to choose condos, land, home. For this search, we're going to stick just with homes and choose your bedrooms and bathrooms.
You could choose number or a minimum amount. Let's search.
So, looks like we came up with 49 properties based on the criteria that we put in. You can scroll around, take a look, see what's out there.
So maybe we decide we want to change our search criteria a little bit. You can click Refine Search up at the top. And maybe we decide we want to add a town, not just East Lyme, but we want to add Waterford also. You can hold down the control button and add other towns. We're going to hold down the control and add Waterford.
And now we're also going to take another look at our price range. You know, we think maybe if we up it from 500 to 600, that'll help us find the house that we're looking for.
There's other criteria you can look at as well. You can look at square footage. You can look at whether it's on the waterfront. You can put in whether you're interested in a certain amount of garage spaces, acreage. There's lots of different ways to refine your search.
In addition, if you look at the bottom left, we have subdivisions and neighborhoods, so you can further refine your search and get exactly what you're looking for.
So here's our new updated search. You can see that our criteria has broadened.
We're now up to 114 properties, and it looks like these are more in line with what we're thinking. So now we're going to save our search.
And once you click Save Your Search, you're going to register on billheenan.net. There's a couple ways you can fill in your information, or just click on Log In with Facebook.
So now that we're logged in, we can go ahead and save the search. We're going to save this one as Heenan Group search.
I'm usually a faster typer than this.
Yeah, sure. Waterford and East Lyme. There we go.
Don't be a hater.
All right, save the search.
Now that we've saved the search, let's check out a property. Let's click on Flornahantic Drive. First, we can look at the pictures.
You can favorite the property, request more information. You could schedule a showing. There are really a lot of options once you get into the specific properties.
Then scrolling down underneath the picture, there's some more specifics. There's price of the property, number of bedrooms, square footage. There's also a property description.
And if you go a little further down, you have taxes, HOA fees, your water sources, pretty much anything that you need to know about the property.
On the bottom left, you can click the little heart to favorite the property. And on the top right, then you can check out the searches you've saved and the properties you've favorited.
Well, that's pretty much our site. Thanks for checking in, watching the first episode of The
Real
Real Realtors.
Realtors.
And check back in with us next week for our next episode. Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.